Fire crews say wind is to blame for causing a Topeka house fire. KSNT News reporter Dan Garrett is live in southwest Topeka tonight to show us the damage. Dan?
Yeah, Molly, this is how their backyard looks right now. The tree actually crushed their wooden fence and then hit the house and actually hit their electrical box, and that is what started the fire. Now, the couple that lives here says they woke up to the tree hitting the home actually, and they went downstairs to check things out, and that's when they started to smell smoke coming up from the basement. So they quickly got their kids out of the home safely, and they say that's where a lot of the damage came from, is the smoke inside the basement. Now, fire investigators say there was probably around $15,000 worth of damage to this home, and the couple is now staying in a hotel because there's still no power left to this home while they investigate. Live in southwest Topeka, Dan Garrett, KSNT News.